Hi everyone, and welcome to Quote Free, Australia's leading platform for builders, trades, and professionals to manage their work and grow their careers. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of one of our most powerful tools, the CV Builder. Whether you're a builder, trade professional, or service provider, creating a professional CV has never been easier. Simply head over to the top navigation menu and click on CV Builder. As you can see here on the left side of the screen, our CV Builder is organized into 6 simple steps. Heading, work history, education, skills, summary, finalize. Today, I'm going to walk you through the heading section. First, let's add some basic information about yourself. First name and last name. Enter your full name. Job ID. This is for internal use or reference numbers. Gender. Select from the drop-down. Contact number. Add your active phone number. Email. Make sure to use a professional email address. This is how potential employers will contact you. Postal code and location. Specify where you are based, which helps when applying for local jobs. Below the contact information, you have the professional summary section. Here, you can briefly describe your experience. Once you've completed this section, click on the next button to proceed to the next step, work history. Update on the top right to save your current progress. So that's a quick look at the first step of our CV. Once you've completed the heading section, you'll automatically be taken to step 2, work history. In the work history section, you will add your past and current roles, a clear picture of your professional background. And for the role description, be specific with your job title. For instance, project manager, construction supervisor. In the description field, mention key responsibilities, projects, and achievements related to that role. Keep it concise and easy to read. Example, project manager. Managed multi-million-dollar construction projects, led a team of 20 tradespeople, and ensured on-time and within-budget project completion. If you've held more than one role, you can add multiple positions to give a complete view of your career path. Just repeat the process for each role, title, and description. Easy-to-use CV Builder. Once you have completed your heading and work history, you'll arrive at the education section, which you can see on the screen now. In this section, you will add your educational qualifications, such as your school, degree, and any relevant certifications. This helps potential employers understand your formal training and areas of expertise. Here's how it works. In the first field, enter the name of your school, university, or training institute. For example, here we see my school. Next, in the location field, at the place where you studied, in this example, VIC Victoria. In the degree field, you can specify your academic level, such as bachelor, master, PhD. Here it's listed as PhD. And finally, add your focus area or major, like software developer or other relevant fields. If you have more than one qualification, for example, both a diploma and a degree, make sure to add each one separately for a clear and structured CV. Once you've entered all your education details, just click on Next Step to continue to the Skills section, where you'll list all your professional abilities and specialties. After completing heading, work history, and education, you'll arrive at the Skills section, as shown here on the screen. In this part, you can list your key professional skills and roles. These are the abilities and responsibilities that define you and make you stand out in your field. For example, here we can see skills like cost planner and estimator have been added. These roles are essential for professionals in the construction and project management industries. To add more skills, simply click on the drop-down or type in the skill you want to showcase. You can add as many as you need to fully represent your expertise. Below the skills list, there's a space for a short description. This is where you can summarize what you do. This is a great way to give employers a quick overview of your technical abilities and areas of work. Once you've added all your relevant skills and written your short description, click on Next Step to continue to Step 5, Summary, where you'll finalize the overview of your professional profile. After completing heading Work History, Education, and Skills, you'll reach Step 5, Summary, as you can see right now on the screen. This section is where you write a short paragraph that highlights your professional identity, experiences, and key skills. Think of it as your elevator pitch, a quick way for employers to get to know you. In this example, we see a cost planner or estimator who summarizes their experience like this you see. Skilled and meticulous cost planner, estimator with over of experience in preparing accurate cost estimates and budgets for various construction and engineering projects. Remember, this section is often the first thing employers read, so make it impactful. It should give them a reason to keep reading your CV and consider you for the role. Once you're happy with your summary, just click on Next Step to move on to the final stage, Finalize, where you'll review and download your complete CV. After completing all 5 previous steps, heading Work History, Education, Skills, and Summary, you'll arrive at the Finalize page, which brings everything together in a beautifully formatted CV, ready to share with employers. As you can see on the screen, all sections are clearly displayed in one organized view. This section summarizes your background. Here you'll find a concise list of your past roles and responsibilities. For instance, project management listed as the core duty. Shows your academic background, such as a PhD in software developer at my school, Vic. Highlights additional competencies, like cost planner and estimator, along with a summary of technical skills in designing and developing software, web, and mobile applications, and robotics for industrial use. This is a detailed recap of your professional experience. If you want to make any changes, simply click the Update button at the top right of the screen to go back and edit any section quickly and easily. Once you're happy with the final version, you can download your CV or share it directly with employers and companies right from the platform, making job applications fast and efficient.